Something like that. Bilis, ipaan mo siya, pa-forward mo siya. Amazed ako
Nathan,
talaga.
can you teach Kuya Sean to do the forward roll? Oh, what a cute picture.
Funny. I'm okay now. You can come back to me. Come on!
Don't touch me.
No, Daddy's back. Not front.
Paano mo naman pa-forward roll? Talaga amazed ako. Sorry.
Nathan, do the forward roll.
Sit down.
Nathan, do the forward roll.
So how many days are you going to be wearing that before it actually enters the handbook? Here. Hey? You're not going to be taking it off anymore?
Whoa! Oh my God!
Anak ko, Benson! Yeah, go for it!
Forward roll first, over there. Forward roll.
1, 2, 3, go!
Where'd you go?
Where are you going? No, not here.
Not there! Not there! Anak naman!
No, you're going to have it. How will you do that there? On the grass.
Wow!
At talagang pagkatapos yun ako.
Very good, Nathan.
Kuya San, can you do it? Roll over, Kuya San. Roll over.
Jeez. I want to do that.
I know. Go ahead.
Ano yun? Baby G.
You roll it, the camera.
Baby G.
I want to do that. Sige, you go. I'll put Benson. Did you bump Daddy's head? Monica dito. Yay! Jumping on Daddy's happy.
I actually got that on this.
Nathan, go jump on Kuya Sean.
Ang gaan pa kasi eh.
Wala yung tako. Wala pa siya.
I'm sorry.
Good exercise, Dad. Good exercise. Go to Kuya Sean.
Wala na silang pag-wrestling. Minsan nire-wrestling ako. Anak, it's your father's role, not me. Huwag mo ko i-wrestling.
Okay.
What?